Hey, welcome. I'm Jacky, coach and EFT practitioner. I always have a ton of questions on affirmations. How do I make affirmations work? I know they're supposed to be good. I repeat them over and over, and they just don't seem to work. So today we're going to be talking about how to make affirmations work. So I have found tapping, EFT, emotional freedom technique, and tapping are the same thing. I've found that when we tap on affirmations and uncover what's really behind them, we can clear that out and make the affirmation work. So I don't know about you, but I absolutely love Louise Hay. She's the queen of affirmations. And I've heard different people share their experiences of affirmations and learning them from Louise. And I remember Mona Lisa listening to a story she was sharing, how she used affirmations like exercise reps. And she would say the affirmation over and over and over and over and over, was trying to make it work. And eventually it did work, and eventually it did help. And that is true with me as well. Like when you say it over and over and over, you're conditioning your mind to believe the affirmation. And your mind doesn't know the difference between what is true in the here and now and what you're making up and creating. It doesn't know the difference. It doesn't know the difference between a past memory, the here and now, and a future creation. And so with affirmations, the thing that stops them from working, the thing that gets in the way, is what I call tail enders or yeah buts. So you have an affirmation. Let's just say, I'm a money magnet. Okay? So go ahead and say out loud, I am a money magnet. Now notice, how much do you really believe that's true? Like, are you like, yeah, I'm a total money magnet? Or do you feel like, well, yeah, I'd like to say that, I'd like to believe it, but I don't really feel it's true? Notice like whatever tail enders or yeah buts are coming in. So go ahead again, say out loud, I'm a money magnet. And notice what pops in your head right after that. That's what I'm referring to as a yeah but or a tail ender. When you have those little thoughts creep in afterwards, the ones that you don't want to admit to, you don't want them to be there, you don't want them to be true, you just want to ignore them, push them away, brush them under the rug, pretend they don't exist. Those yeah buts or tail enders are actually what's stopping the affirmation from being true. And so what we do with EFT and affirmations is we tap on those yeah buts and tail enders, and we tap on the affirmation, and we clear out all those things that are stopping you from the affirmation working, from actually being a money magnet, or whatever affirmation that you want to create to be true. So tapping is a really powerful tool for affirmations, and affirmations in and of themselves are powerful when you can clear out the crap, the disempowering beliefs, the yeah buts and tail enders that are stopping the affirmation from being true. Then when you repeat the affirmation over and over, you are ingraining it in your brain, and it will become true. So in the month of September 2018, I am going to be tapping on 3 different money affirmations in my tapping community. I'll post the tag below and in this description so you know where to find where we will be tapping. It won't be here on the Jacky Coach and EFT Practitioner page. It will be inside of my tapping community. My tapping community is a closed group, and we tap in there live 2 or 3 times a month. And so I'm inviting you to join my tapping community. When you join it, you just click on the link, and I ask you 3 simple questions. So just take a moment to answer those and submit your request, and I will approve it. And so we will tap together and clear out whatever is holding you back from money coming into your life. With these affirmations, we'll get you started. And then when you're in the tapping community going forward, we tap on lots of other different topics. And in the past, prior to you joining, we also have a lot of different videos that are in there that you're able to do and follow along with, so get lots of tapping in. So thanks for joining me. Please comment below if you have any questions or anything that you want to say or share about how affirmations have been working for you. And I look forward to seeing you in my tapping community. We're going to be tapping on I Am a Money Magnet on September 7th. So I hope you'll join me for that. Thank you.